In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mention someone on a Trello card. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Trello account. Just head over to Trello.com, and on the home page, you'll see your boards displayed. Go ahead and select the specific board where you want to mention someone. Once you're in the right board, find the individual card that you want to work with. When you've located that card, simply click on it. It will open up in a detailed pop-up view, and you're ready to go. Now the next step is to access the comment section. Just scroll down a little bit until you find the activity section of the card. This is where all the action happens. Look for the box that says write a comment and click inside it. This is where you'll start crafting your message. All right, now we're at the fun part, tagging the user you want to mention. Start by typing the @ symbol on your keyboard. You'll notice that Trello is really neat. It's going to automatically bring up a drop-down list of members who are part of the board. If you want to make things quicker, after the @ symbol, start typing the person's name that you want to tag. For example, if you're looking for someone named Sarah, you could type @Essa, and the list should narrow down to show relevant users. Once you see the name you want to mention pop up in the suggestions, just click on it. Instantly, their name will be highlighted in your comment, indicating that they've been tagged successfully. It's a seamless process. Now it's time to wrap up your message. Finish writing the rest of your comment just as you normally would. Once you're done and everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Save button. This is where the magic happens. Trello will make sure to send a notification to the tagged user. Depending on their settings, they'll receive this notification via the app, email, or even as a mobile push notification. This is a great way to keep everyone in the loop, making sure that your teammates won't miss important updates or discussions. And that's it. It's that easy to tag someone on a Trello card and notify them instantly. You can see how useful this feature can be for collaboration and communication within your team. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. Happy organizing on Trello, and I'll see you in the next video.